A very warm welcome to the 37th World Exhibition and Conference.
The conference has been very, very interesting because we've been through all the economics, actual situation to the metaverse, so I think it's been a great start.
Very interesting approach, and it's a very good insight for the industry right now.
Great to see workshops coming back to Cannes, seeing people share ideas, learn, collaborate.
It was great to see some of the biggest global hubs help us understand what was going on with travel retail in these airports.
I think it's great to get a perspective from the leading airport in the world of how they weathered through COVID and what they see for the future.
That growth that's come back.
Everyone, good afternoon.
This is one of the few areas that has really not yet been fully digitized.
Marketplaces are everywhere.
I think the workshop was very valuable. Presenters approached different angles of innovations, and they did share with us very practical initiatives happening in the field of technology innovation in travel retail.
Innovation in terms of customer enhancement was mind-boggling. It opened me up to things I've never imagined. It was marvelous.